Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, so let's sit down and have a bit of a chat. In today's episode, I will discuss recent events in the gaming space where a cancer patient had $30,000 of their treatment fund taken from them without a second thought. Earlier this month, a streamer with stage 4 cancer, known as Rostaland TV, who has been raising money for treatment on a cryptocurrency-based streaming website called Pump.Fun, downloaded a game from Steam called Block Blasters. Seemed innocent enough and looked like any other indie game. However, the game was actually a virus that stole $30,000 of Rostaland's creator funds. The game itself is now off of Steam, but it was reportedly on the platform for a little over a month, so who knows really how much damage it caused. There is a screenshot that I have seen going around that supposedly belongs to the people who created Block Blaster, and the person, if the screenshot is legit, doesn't seem to be too worried about taking people's money via virus-ridden games. I don't understand how somebody could do that. The good news is that out of all of this, people have been giving funds to Rostaland's GoFundMe to help with medical expenses and are tuning into his streams. Now that the explanation is out of the way, I would like to share my thoughts on the situation. So first off, I would like to wish Rostaland all the best, and I hope that his treatment goes well. I am wishing all the best to him and his family. And this story struck a personal chord for me. For those who don't know, my mom passed away earlier this year from cancer, and it was a very difficult last few months and years. The treatments that occur during that time of illness are very rough on a person. They are very stressful, and in some countries, they can unfortunately be very expensive. The last thing that a cancer patient and their family need to worry about is how they're going to raise funds to get better. Stress is the last thing that a cancer patient needs. I was playing Overwatch not too long ago, and I saw people in the chat making fun of someone who had cancer, and I don't understand how someone could say this to someone who is suffering or someone who has lost somebody to that terrible illness. I don't know, maybe I'm too sensitive to these kinds of things now. I don't think I want to understand what people think. I don't like thinking about it. People worry me sometimes. I am glad that there is a happy ending for Rostaland. I know Steam has been in a bit of a hot ball of water recently, and I wonder if this unfortunate situation will cause them to look at how they process updates on their platform when it comes to games, because, and from how I understand the situation, you have to be approved to put your game on Steam, but then Steam doesn't check the updates. So I wonder if now Steam, if it's possible, will either manually put in some system to check that updates are not a problem and might have some not good code in it, or if they're gonna let AI do it. I don't know. This is just me throwing stuff on the wall. So it's just one of those things where we're gonna have to see if they even do anything to start with. Before I leave you all this morning, afternoon, evening, or whenever you may be watching this video, I would like to leave you all with a fun fact. Did you know that the cities of Regina and Victoria in Canada are both named after Queen Victoria? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more of my content, then please subscribe to Sweet Histortea, a channel full of random facts, lots of sparkles, and tons more videos to come in the future. Thank you so much again for watching, and until next time, bye-bye!